in the Find My app in your AirPods for ANC is showing up with this error, AirPods Setup Incomplete. And along with that, if it's showing no location found, address unavailable, and also the full settings are not showing up, we're going to show you in this situation how you can fix this problem. Now, first of all, if you're getting setup incomplete or location not found error on Find My, that's because it happens when your AirPods is not properly paired to your iPhone. So what you can do from Find My, you can either remove your AirPods, or from the Bluetooth settings, you can just forget or unpair it. And then before repairing it with your iPhone once again, just go ahead and reset your AirPods. Make sure both the buds are inside the case. Now close the lid for a couple of seconds and then just go ahead and open it up. Make sure the LED is on. Now double tap 3 times under the LED. With 3 beeps, it'll start blinking orange LED. And then in a few moments, it'll go into pairing mode with this flashing white LED. After the reset, just go ahead, reconnect and properly repair your AirPods 4 with your iPhone once again. Now, if you're still getting other errors like address not found, you need to check out some settings. So let's go ahead and open these settings once again to privacy and security, to location services. First of all, make sure location services is turned on. If it's on, you can just turn it off and then on to restart it. Go to location alerts and make sure show map in location alerts is turned on. Next, go to Share My Location. To find my iPhone first, make sure all of these 3 options are turned on. Go back one step and make sure Share My Location is enabled. Now go back one step to Location Services, scroll down to Maps, and make sure it's selected to while using the app, and also Precise Location is enabled. And most of the times, the process we have shown you is enough to solve this type of errors. Now, just in case if you're still getting it, sometimes this happens for just a minor glitch on your iPhone. So in that case, we're gonna give our phone a forced restart. Press and release the volume up and down button, and then press and hold this side button till the screen goes black. After the restart, if you go check again, hopefully you'll no longer have these AirPod errors on your Find My. Now lastly, if you have left or lost your AirPods somewhere and then you are seeing these errors, now that means, unfortunately, my friend, either the AirPods battery is drained completely or someone has found it and performed a reset. Please let us know in the comment section if you have found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.